today I want to share a beautiful unit here at the lakes. The lakes is in Ratchadapisek Road, and you could almost consider this Soi 16. It's almost on the corner of Soi 16, and from here you have a nice view of the Asok area. You have the interchange and the exchange towers there. There's Terminal 21. So the BTS is on walking distance. So this unit is on the 11th floor, and as you can see it has different levels. That makes it a very special unit. It's a 2-bedroom. The owner at the moment uses it as a 1-bedroom with a study. Nice view of the Bangkok Park. So the size of this unit is 150 square meters, and the sales price is 32.5 million Thai baht. And that's all inclusive. There in the distance you have the one Bangkok Park right here in front, and there's a walking bridge here, so you can easily walk to the park. So this here is the second bedroom, and as you can see the second bedroom has been made into an office room. The sofa that you see down here, you can also make that into a bed, so you could still use it as a bedroom as well. All the furniture and fittings are included in the price, so when you buy this unit you can instantly rent it out. Master bedroom. I like this idea of having the different levels and the stairs in the house. Some people might not enjoy it, but it gives a bit of character to the place. So here you have a private bathroom. Rain shower. Bathtub. Long balcony, good view of the park here, and all rooms are connected with the balcony. It's almost like a kitchen island, right? So you have your dishwasher. Yeah, this is a perfect space to cook up something. Oven, microwave, wine cooler, built-in coffee machine. Yeah, a beautiful unit. It's a bit industrial. I can imagine that a big worry when you want to buy an apartment like this would be the noise. So I just closed all the windows and the noise is actually minimal. Anyway, if you're interested in buying this apartment or in general interested in apartments in Bangkok, if you want to buy something, you want to rent something, feel free to connect with us at info@sukhumvithomes.com. I will leave our contact details in the description of this video.